Hi again and welcome to the second part of must-have tech gadgets for camping trips. If you thought part 1 was amazing, wait till you see these 15 game-changing gadgets that will level up your camping experience. From high-tech cooking gear to ultimate relaxation gadgets, these will make your trips safer, more comfortable, and way more fun. And trust me, number 3 will blow your mind. Let's jump in. Number 15. Portable wood-burning stove. Forget carrying propane. The BioLite Camp Stove 2+ runs on wood and twigs, turning fire into electricity to charge your phone while you cook. It has a built-in fan for smokeless flames, and even a USB port to keep your devices powered. Number 14. Jetboil Flash Cooking System. Need boiling water in just 100 seconds? This compact all-in-one stove system is perfect for making coffee, soup, or dehydrated meals fast. It's lightweight, fuel-efficient, and has an ignition button for hassle-free cooking. Number 13. Portable Camping Coffee Maker. Mornings in the wild just got better. This durable, travel-friendly French press makes rich, fresh coffee in minutes. It's lightweight, shatterproof, and insulated, so you get hot coffee anytime, anywhere. Number 12. BearVault BV 500 Food Storage Container. Keep your food safe from bears and critters. This odor-proof, crush-resistant container is a must-have for securing snacks and meals from wildlife while complying with national park regulations. Number 11. Iceco Portable Camping Fridge. Ditch the ice packs. This electric-powered cooler keeps your food fresh and drinks ice cold using solar power or a car battery. With temperature control and silent operation, it's perfect for camping trips. Number 10. Teton Sport Sleeping Bag. Stay warm in freezing temperatures. This high-performance sleeping bag has extra insulation, a mummy-style hood, and soft lining for maximum comfort on cold nights. Number 9. Neo Air X-Lite Sleeping Pad. No more uncomfortable nights. This ultralight inflatable sleeping pad provides 4-inch thick cushioning, great insulation, and packs down to the size of a water bottle. Number 8. Electric Heated Camping Blanket. Cozy up anywhere. This USB-powered heated blanket keeps you warm even in chilly weather. It's water-resistant, lightweight, and machine washable for easy care. Number 7. Wise Owl Hammock with Mosquito Net. Want to sleep under the stars without bug bites? This durable parachute nylon hammock comes with a built-in mosquito net, making it perfect for relaxing in the wild. Number 6. Thermacell Mosquito Repeller. Say goodbye to bug bites. This portable mosquito repeller creates a 15-foot protection zone using scent-free, chemical-free technology to keep insects away. Number 5. Cruaculla Max Insulated Tent. The ultimate tent for extreme conditions. This high-tech insulated tent keeps you cool in summer, warm in winter, and blocks out noise and light for a better night's sleep. Number 4. Nemo Pressure Shower. Stay fresh on the go. This portable camping shower uses pressurized water flow for a real shower experience. It's perfect for washing up, cleaning dishes, or rinsing off gear. Number 3. The Leatherman Signal Survival Multi-Tool. A survivalist's best friend. This 14-in-1 multi-tool includes a knife, fire starter, whistle, pliers, and more, making it an all-in-one essential for any outdoor trip. Number 2. The Goal Zero Crush Light Solar Lantern. A camping light that never runs out of power. This solar-powered lantern is collapsible, waterproof, and lightweight, making it the perfect companion for nighttime adventures. And finally, number 1, the Anker PowerCore Power Bank. Never run out of power. This high-capacity portable power bank can charge multiple devices at once, ensuring you stay connected during your entire trip. That's it for part 2 of our must-have camping tech gadgets. With these, you'll stay well-fed, well-rested, and completely comfortable on your next outdoor adventure. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you in the next adventure.